The Dodge Charger King Daytona stands as a monumental tribute to American muscle, blending raw power with a rich legacy. Introduced as part of Dodge's Last Call series, this limited edition model pays homage to the iconic 1969 Charger Daytona, a car that once dominated NASCAR tracks. With only 300 units produced, the King Daytona is a collector's dream and a testament to Dodge's commitment to performance and heritage. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the King Daytona lies a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine, delivering an impressive 807 horsepower and 707 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, enabling the sedan to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. The engine's performance is further enhanced by an upgraded exhaust system, providing a throaty growl that resonates with enthusiasts. The King Daytona's performance is not just about straight-line speed, its handling capabilities are equally commendable. The wide-body design, coupled with performance-tuned suspension and Brembo brakes, ensures exceptional cornering and braking performance. Design and aesthetics. Visually, the King Daytona is a head-turner. The exterior is finished in the striking mango orange, complemented by black accents and unique badging that set it apart from other Chargers. The wide-body stance gives it a muscular and aggressive presence on the road. Inside, the cabin boasts black Napa leather and suede seats, embroidered with the King Daytona logo, offering a blend of luxury and sportiness. The interior also features unique trim pieces and a special edition badge, underscoring its exclusivity, heritage, and legacy. The King Daytona draws inspiration from William "Big Willie" Robinson, a legendary figure in Los Angeles street racing during the 1960s and 1970s. Robinson's original 1969 Charger Daytona, known as King, was a symbol of performance and style. Dodge's decision to name this special edition after Robinson's car is a fitting tribute to the roots of American muscle. The King Daytona encapsulates the essence of its predecessor while integrating modern performance and technology, collectability, and market impact. With only 300 units produced, the King Daytona is among the rarest Chargers ever made. Its limited production, combined with its performance and historical significance, makes it a highly sought-after model among collectors. The exclusivity of the King Daytona ensures that it will remain a standout in the Dodge lineup and a valuable asset for automotive enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Dodge Charger King Daytona is more than just a car. It's a celebration of performance, heritage, and exclusivity. It successfully bridges the gap between the golden era of muscle cars and modern engineering, offering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and nostalgic. For those fortunate enough to own one, the King Daytona represents the pinnacle of Dodge's commitment to performance and legacy.